Sam, did you hear what he said? What did he say?
He said, it tends the most, and like two is like that, like least, and there's two like there's bigger.
Yeah. So that was great listening. So we can go up to 10. That's as high as we need to go. And look at Elizabeth. Did you already know that?
Yeah.
Did you kind of have a guess? So when we do our graph, do you remember what axis this is right here?
Y.
Remember what it's called?
Y.
The y-axis. And this is going to be our mount.
And then the other one's X.
Good. Okay, so this we'll label it y-axis. Okay, that's our y-axis. And this is going to give us the amount of balls that we voted on for our data. Okay, so we have to label it. So we're going to say number of balls from favorite sports. Okay. So what number do I have to start here in the corner? Do you remember that? What number we have to start in the corner? What number, Sean? What number would be right here, which means nothing? What number? Do you know? $10. Anybody else have an idea? Marlene, do you know what number would be way down here in the corner? Right here. 0. Your graph will start with a 0, but it's just a line. It's just there to help you know that the next line will be your next number. And then the next line will be your next number, and so on and so forth. So our next number would be a what? 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. That's as far as we have to go, to 10. Okay, so now we need to figure out our sports at the bottom. I'm going to let you come up. Elizabeth, I'll let you do this. Come up here. Well, I'm going to choose some other ones too. Okay, Elizabeth, you draw a soccer ball. Let's see. I'll pick a boy. Blake, you love to draw. You want to come draw the volleyball? Okay, so this is going to be the volleyball. You can make it bigger if you want. You can draw another one. Draw another one underneath it. You're going to draw the volleyball right there. Basketball, brown. Let's see, a girl. Ashley. You may have to wait till Blake finishes. And then a jump rope. How about... Let's see, whose birthday is in, let me guess, because we did this earlier. Whose birthday's in, I'm going to pick a month, and the oldest one in that month. September. Who has a, Andy. Okay, Andy, you're doing the jump rope. When you draw, you can have a seat. Nicely done. Thank you.
After this, can I show the way that I was going to show you?
Sure, I'll let you do it on the whiteboard
Yeah.
in just a minute. That'd be awesome. Which color you want? You're doing the jump rope. Yes, sir.
Mine looks like a monster eating a cookie.
Well, that's a silly basketball. Okay, so now I'm gonna have some boys and girls do to help us chart our data. We're gonna put the data onto our, what's this called? Graph, a sports graph. Very good. Okay, so we're going to, who can tell me what we have our y-axis, which tells us the numbers of balls from favorite sports. What axis was this called?
X-axis.
Good, Emma. X. I'll label it X-axis. And what is the X-axis? What are these? What are these objects?
It will tell us items. It will tell us what we're graphing.
Yeah. So this is what we're graphing. So let's see. And they're balls, sport, balls, and ropes. Because they're not all balls, are they? No. Well, I guess we could say sport. equipment. That would have been a good word. Okay, here we go. So if you have a birthday, here's your markers to choose from. If you have a birthday in, let's do June. Who has a June birthday? Adrian. June birthday, Adrian. Okay, Adrian, you're going to do soccer balls. Come on up. You're going to have to help him. We're a team. Remember, we're being very careful because mathematicians are very careful and precise. Okay, so how many spaces, bars, squares does he have to color in? 10. All right, you ready? You can do it squiggly if you want to. Yeah. Oh, smart. Okay, very good. What's my other June birthday? Marlene? All right, very good. He checked his work. Oh my goodness, that's one of your goals. Your math goals is to be, what are your 2 math goals? Accurate and careful. And this is very important because if you mess up on this, Coach Austin would maybe buy the wrong ones. Oh. All right, how many volleyballs does Marlene need? Kaylin? How many volleyballs does she need to color in? 2. How do you know that, Kaylin? Hang on just a minute. How do you know? You looked right at it. How do you know? Right here. We took a vote and we did what? What are those called, Saya? Tally marks. Okay, go. She's going to be accurate.